know, because my brother was out there and the brother they look for him, they call him and can't see him. I start ball out and see him.
Actually, we have to run out of the house. Me and my two sons. Body house is flat. But you know, we have life, so we have to give thanks.
Jamaican family, how you do? Boy, this is depressing. You probably would have seen the first video I did the morning after Hurricane Melissa. I hope you saw that one. There's a link in the description to that. Today I'm actually heading out with the family and my neighbor to visit my family, to hope to see my family in Westmoreland. So we haven't heard from them. It's been 2 days now. We have not been able to get connectivity. Then he can't hear anybody, can't hear of anyone coming from that side, or hear from anyone coming from that side. So I decided that we're gonna go. We're gonna take the chance and go. And it has been utterly depressing. Right now I'm in the Withorn area. I'm heading to Westmoreland. I'm in Westmoreland now. I'm heading to the White House side. And I'm telling you, from what you probably are, I don't know if you're seeing, but from what we have seen from Anchovy, in fact, from we started all the way down, and there's some guys, some young people here having some fun, which is a good sign. Have fun. But I'm telling you, from what we have seen or have been seeing, every roof, every house that is not a concrete structure has lost its roof. Every single one. I repeat, every single one has lost its roof. It's very depressing. I've never seen so much water in my life. A lot of the areas are inundated. Water. Behind the houses have become what we call ponds here now, or lakes. A lot of water. I saw a place in Anchovy where the entire first floor is underwater. The entire first floor. And you can see as well the trees here. I hope you're seeing it properly. The trees here are bare. Almost like somebody washed them. No leaves. And scrub the bark. Look at this house here. Look to your left. Look to your left. Right? I've been asking a few persons. I think you might be getting the glare because I'm actually shooting into the sun now. So I apologize for that. But you should be getting the essence of it. It is horror. I've been asking people as I drive along what the situation is, if we lose anybody, and I've been getting feedback that we have lost some people in different areas, Betheltown, Withorn, a few areas. Oh, over there you can see a supermarket there, people huddling, trying to get food, I'm pretty sure. But this is Withorn, and you can see that it's not a pretty sight. Not a pretty sight. I'm in the Waterworks Galloway area. Waterworks Galloway area. Still lots of at this point I see water running on two different directions and one on the road, left and right. I don't even know where the water is coming from. But you can see severe damage. Look at the enormous. Look to your left. No zinc, no roof. All of the zinc sheets are on the ground, on the floor, on the road here. Light poles, electrical wires. It is carnage here. Okay, I'm gonna ask you to check the description. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be doing something to try to mobilize some sort of support. This road is broken. Look here. No, this apparently is a river that overflowed this bank. Familiar feature, guys. I told you earlier, still in the waterworks area. This seems as if it is, as I said, bare bones. Bare bones, the trees. bare bones. Zinc sheets all over the community. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. And then the trees. We thought we had it bad in Montego Bay, St. James, because of the severe flooding in the Catherine Hall area. We probably did, but we thought so. But look at this. This is a different level. Different level. Waterworks. Still in the waterworks here. I had to show you this. By the way, up Shettlewood, that general area coming down to Withorn, that place has been devastated. I told you about the houses. Every house, almost every house I saw there was without a roof. Almost everyone. Well, everyone actually. Every port house I saw was without a roof. Right? You can see this here. This is another picture. Every house that has a board structure here is without a roof. And even some of those have had it. I'm just driving. I didn't stop. So people are. It's a weeping, sorrowful day here in Jamaica, guys. Sorrowful. I had to show you this, guys. Zinc sheets. Zinc sheets. Oh, I was telling you about the water. Look at that. We have lakes upon lakes. We don't have lakes in Jamaica, but now we do. And another feature is the light pole. Right? Well, actually, I was just about to say this is not too bad because it's not falling down. It's not down, but take that back. There's one up here, and and there are several of them like that. I'm just hoping and praying that my family back home and down there is good. So I'm heading maybe another 15 minutes. I should be there, or so. So we'll see. Please share this with somebody who you think might be interested in or want to know. By now there are probably a lot of videos, a lot of clips online circulating about Hurricane Melissa, but you know, part of my social responsibility, I wanted to actually show you live footage since I'm actually here of what transpired. So consider sharing this with someone as well to let them get a unique view of what happened rather than hear it from somebody else. Alright? Another section of Westmoreland, guys. This here now is I think we call here Red Gate or something like that. It's neighboring. Look at this. Look at this house with the debris. Yeah, almost
covered in rubble.
Covered in rubble. My God. We're now in Mearnsville, guys. Mearnsville. We just came through a really horrible area here on the seaside. We're heading to the Mearnsville Square, Pustown area. You can see it's not looking good. Not looking good at all. Familiar signs, down trees, no roof, no house. And this is what has become of Westmoreland, Jamaica. I don't know how much more I'll be able to share with you, but I think you get the essence of it now. I'm gonna wrap up shortly, but again, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear from you, police passing through. Yeah, share. Talk to me in the comments. I'm still on my way to visit my family, but I'm the Bluefields area, some White House area, they're not far. Bare trees, familiar signs. Bare trees. By the way, guys, I just ran into a little area here, Bluefields Bay area, where a bunch of community members converge trying to get the internet to make connections to family overseas. So they're here trying to get some internet, trying to get some power. There's a machine over here. I think it's the Bluefields Bay Hotel. They're trying to get some juice so that they can make connection with family. This is Bluefields, guys. This is carnage. This is the main road. This is the main road. I'm trying to get to family before it's too late, but would you believe that this is the main road? Impossible. Impossible and impossible. So areas.
I'm pretty sure they got the eye.
This is the Belmont area, guys, and everything is flat. This is not just roof we're talking about now. Look at this.
This is where the eye hits.
Yeah, this apparently is where the eye came and hit. Lunacy in. No more lunacy in. Linda tried this stuff. My friend. Car. Nothing was spared. Car, roof, house. Nothing spared here. Everything is flat in Belmont area. I am getting feedback that the Beeston Spring area is flat as well. I don't know. I'm hoping not, because I have family members there as well. So we're just hopeful at this point. Hopeful. Hello. How you doing?
I know your face.
You know my face?
Yes.
From where?
That's what I want to find out.
I don't know. I went to school down here.
I know your face.
Alright. Yes. I've never seen Belmont like this. Well, obviously not. But I could never imagine. Say another way, guys. Belmont. Belmont. This is Belmont. Home of Peter Tosh. You'll see that soon. But I could never imagine Belmont in Westmoreland looking like this. You see here, it's right beside the sea. You know, they probably would have gotten the brunt of it. The eye wall would have fallen somewhere in this vicinity, or maybe just a few miles from here, between here and Alligator Pond in Manchester, between Manchester, Alligator Pond, St. Elizabeth, and Belmont here in this area. Because at one point we're hearing the meteorologists suggesting that it would be in the Belmont area here, but I don't know where it eventually fell, but clearly it didn't spare Belmont. Oh, and this is what is left of Peter Tosh Monument.
Where was the monument?
Right behind here, Peter Tosh Monument. Guys, I'm in farm. This is the farm community, and this is. I've been saying all along that this is unimaginable, but this, I think, is the worst of it. Every house here is flat. And Miss Hamilton here is a resident here, and she said she lost her house.
Two of them.
Two houses. Tell me about the experience, Miss Hamilton.
Well, we were there, and then this time, and then you know, we were inside there. We have to run out of the house. Me and my two sons, and go to the next door. Well, the next door house, the top gone also, but part of his own sale. But as you can see, everybody's house is flat. Only the concrete house
standing.
You know, standing.
Yeah.
And some of them deteriorate too.
Yeah.
But I lost both of my house.
Both of your houses?
Both houses I lose. So I just stay at my mom or my sister. They lost their own too. But as you can see, everybody house.
To start over again?
All over again.
My God.
But you know, we have life, so we have to give thanks.
To give God thanks.
We have to
In everything we give thanks.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much. If I don't know if you want to share your number, if anybody need to help, want to help.
316-4924.
316-4924.
Yes.
Miss T.
Miss Hamilton.
Miss Hamilton.
Yes.
Guys, this is farm and Miss Hamilton. As you can see, it's not good. It's horrible. Every house.
Everything.
She said she lost everything.
Everything.
This is a door. I don't know where this door.
I don't know if it's somebody
Where it came
else.
from.
But I just take it with a smile, you know, because hey, guess what? I have a life.
You have life.
And I have life. So when you have life, everything else can come.
Everything else can come after.
Right.
That's the spirit. Blessings here.
Yes.
All right.
Blessing.
Yeah. The family here, guys. A sad situation, but we give God thanks for life because this gentleman has survived. Melissa, what happened, mommy?
In the living room,
Uh-huh.
but a zinc top.
Zinc roof,
Yeah, they-
boardhouse.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And we just take him out and came out the door.
You mean you were sitting in there?
Yes, he was in there.
So did the roof go off first?
Yeah, the roof was and just take him out.
This is Leety, Westmoreland. Leety.
Leachy, St.
Yeah.
James.
And so what you do? You go in the air and then you drop on the ground?
No, it's going to jump out the door.
Out the door?
Yeah. On the back, me jump on the back.
Uh-huh.
Like me.
So you were seeing all of that when that was happening?
No,
Where were you?
inside of the house.
Mm.
Me never see.
You never see?
No,
So how you know say out there?
No, because my brother was out there and the brother look for him, they call him and can't see him.
My
And
God.
start ball out and see him.
Oh.
And I say, oh, he can't do it. He say, no go to the door, auntie, no go to the door. I say, no go to the door, because the blows, no go to the door.
Yeah.
But he realized that the breeze take him out. And we realized, no, we bust the kitchen door, now I'm going to the door, and I back him up.
We give God thanks to life, brother. So you get help at hospital? You get help in the hospital? Yeah, we give thanks. What's your name, my brother? Oshando. Alright, if anybody wants to reach out to Oshando, you have a number maybe to help him because you used to work, not true?
838.
What kind of work you do? Chef. Give a number if anybody needs to reach out.
838, 32,
Yeah.
33.
838 32
33.
33. Oshando, we give God thanks. The man on the bandage guys here from Hurricane Melissa, but we give God thanks for life. One love. All the best here. Yeah, man, every time. That's it, guys. That's it. I just wanted to share some of the sights and sounds here with you. I'd love to hear from you. Put it in the comments. You know, I want to hear what you think about what is happening. Check the description as well. I'm gonna be making some links in there, putting some links where you can support or get in touch with some people. It's quite depressing here, trust me. And this is, I haven't reached my destination, but I wanted to show you some clips of the general area. Horrible stuff. This is the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa here in Jamaica, primarily the Bluefields, Westmoreland area. Not good.